Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Inspector, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to install your first crypto private wallet. We're going to go with MetaMask. There's many others, but I recommend that. So you're going to have to go to the website metamask.io. I'm going to link this in the description. Then you go to Get MetaMask here. And then you go to iOS and install for iPhone. Then it will open the App Store and you'll click download here. So you can also install it as an extension on your browser for better convenience. Then you go to open. So once you click open, it's gonna open up here. So this is the first screen. So you're gonna click to get started. You can also import if you have a wallet on a different device, but it's for this video is for new starters into cryptocurrency. You go to create new wallet. So here you go password. So make sure to have quite a secure password with different numbers and caps. You click I understand. So here it needs to be strong in your case. So once you create your password, there's a video explaining to you about stuff. It's quite interesting about the secret recovery key, which is, I'm going to explain to you what it is. So you go start and you have to put your password again. And you're gonna get your secret recovery phrase. Now, this is very, very, very important. So you're gonna have to screenshot it here. You have to safe keep that. And basically, what is this? This is the key to your lock, okay? So you're gonna have to put here as the right order from here. So anyone who has access to this can actually get your wallet, okay? So make sure to safe keep it on a piece of paper in different places that you know what it is. And if you lose it, you lost all your money. There's no customer service that can get you back this private secret recovery key, okay? So make sure to safe keep it very well and do not share it with anyone. So that's the difference between basically, you know, having a broker. When you put your money on a broker, the brokers have this for you basically on big servers and they manage it. But if something happens, they will, you know, they can assist you. They might get it back, but then they have access to you. But there's also basically legality that they will not check the stuff that you have. Okay, so there it is. So once you put this right order, now you have your wallet, okay? So what you need to do here is done. And there it is, okay? So how can you buy Ethereum? There's two ways. You can click on it and basically buy. And there's many options. So there's with Apple Pay, with Revolut, with debit, SEPA, everything is there for you. And then you put the amount here. For example, I want to buy 10 Ethereum, okay? And then you go with, let's say, Revolut Pay. Minimum for Revolut is 25. So you put, I don't know, 1,000. Then you're going to get a code. So there's different codes, okay, because it's always fluctuating. So you continue with this one like this. And then you'll connect logically something with, yes, here it is. You put your email and each payment method, there's its way to download it. Now that's one way. Another way is someone who has cryptocurrency, just click on Ethereum here and you say, you see this button here, receive. So you click this and you send him the screenshot or this address basically, and he will send you to this hash address, the Ethereum, and you receive it. Okay, so now let's say if you want to, you know, you want to get another one, okay? So you search token other than Ethereum, okay? So for example, Cardano. The good thing is now you can just search it here and there's so many different Kronos, for example. You click on it, okay? Next, you import the network and now you can send, buy or receive basically Kronos. So now you have your Kronos. And then you got the point for other cryptos. Okay, so, and also you can receive NFTs. The portfolio section has a lot of things also. So that was a quick video into how to install your first private wallet with MetaMask. So this is how you can own your cryptocurrency. You're on the DeFi era basically, okay? No one knows what you're doing. or how you do that. Obviously, you're gonna have to be doing diligently because there's also blockchains and all that. And I hope you like this video, and you can, you know, if you really follow the news in cryptocurrencies, I do weekly news. You can subscribe to my channel to get all the weekly news, the best top 10. So that was it for today. Crypto Inspector is out.